Welcome back to Hungry JJ. Marami tayong nakikita sa Facebook ngayon na nagpo-post and nagre-review ng McDonald's Korean chicken burger and beef burger. Pero tingnan natin kung talaga masarap ba sila. So, I'm with my son.
Hello.
Ayaw nilang ipakita yung mukha niya, pero sasamahan niya tayo na mag-review kasi parang critic din, food critic din siya. So, sasamahan niya tayo ngayon. So, before anything else, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung McDonald's na Korean beef burger and McDonald's Korean chicken burger. And ito dati na to, yung McDonald's na shake fries na honey butter, pero binalik nila. And yung ice cream na, I think strawberry ice cream yon. Kaya lang, hindi available as of now. So ngayon, try na natin. Lagay natin tong McDonald's fries and the honey butter. Okay. Just, tapos mo na dito. Hindi ko siya mauubos, so hatiin natin. Ay! Ay! Nadudulas! Ay! Ay! So, I think ito ay charcoal bread. And then, merong sunny side up egg, beef patty, some lettuce, tapos siguro merong gochujang dun sa mayonnaise. Yun kasi yung lagi nilang ginagamit. Sa chicken naman, amoy na amoy ko yung cheese. Ayan. So, charcoal bread ulit, chicken patty, and then lettuce, onion, cheese, and then mayonnaise na may gochujang. So, try natin. Okay. So, to start off, ang honey butter fries natin. Kuha ko na isa. Masarap kaya. Feeling ko, hindi ko siya matataypan eh. Matamis! And, lasang, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko siya gusto. Lasang ano. Pero siya gusto niya. Type mo?
It's yummy.
So, how do you find it?
I don't know why, but it's yummy.
So, for you, how does it taste?
It tastes okay. It's passable.
So, if you're going to McDonald's, are you going to order one of those?
If I'm tired of other flavors, yes, I would try this.
If you're tired of other flavors. Pero ako definitely hindi. So, ito. Try na natin yung beef burger. So, parang breakfast burger to kasi may egg.
Oh no, this is gonna be a bit greasy. So let me just get the packaging.
Medyo maanghang. Tinikman ko na yung sauce.
That's a lot. Wow.
Try na natin.
That's spicy. I like it. It's really nice. I can taste the lettuce and the beef. But the egg, I don't taste it that much.
So, plain lang yung egg. Beef patty, parang as is lang. Meron lang siguro more pepper lang siya. And then yung sauce, mayonnaise siya na yung typical na dressing ng McDonald's. Plus gochujang or some chili pepper. Kasi lasa mo yung gochujang. Tapos mas maanghang siya. So I think yun lang din yun. Tapos yung charcoal bread. Well, lasa naman siya ng medyo. After the beef burger, yung chicken burger naman. First bite.
I prefer this more than the beef burger. It's more tasteful.
Flavorful. Chicken is more flavorful, pero lasang McChicken. Dressing lang yung iba and yung burger patty. I think yung chicken is yung galing sa McChicken na patty. Gochujang and yung cheese. Parang okay naman siya, pero tama na yung isa lang. Parang okay naman siya, pero one order is enough.
I prefer it over the normal beef.
So you prefer...
It's crunchy.
You prefer yung Korean chicken burger than the beef burger. Pero compared to the other burgers, dun sa original burger, which one do you prefer?
Korean burger.
Korean burger kasi you like spicy foods. So, I think that's all for now. Basta guys, kung gusto nyo lang masatisfy yung cravings nyo and yung curiosity sa Korean burger, try nyo yung sa McDonald's. Pero I suggest i-order nyo yung Korean chicken burger. Cheers sa coffee! So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hungry JJ. See you!